The Galaxy S24 Ultra has been leaked again. Last time we saw the pictures of an actual working phone, but now we have the hands-on video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The latest leak comes from the prolific tipster Ice Universe, who has posted an alleged hands-on video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra on Twitter. The clip is just a few seconds long, but it's enough to show what looks like a pretty flat display with sharp corners. If there are any curves here, they are minimal and highly reduced compared to previous Ultra models. It looks like Samsung has removed the curved edges entirely from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's not unexpected that Samsung is choosing a flat screen for this year's S24 Ultra. The previous model, the S23 Ultra, had already started this change by having less curved edges. In the leaked video, the S24 Ultra is shown with a completely flat screen, similar to other phones in the series. Additionally, the edges around the screen seem thinner, and the small hole for the front camera appears to be smaller than before. What's your opinion on the new flat design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. Now, if we talk about the leaked photos of the S24 Ultra, the pictures show the phone in a gray color and confirm all the previous rumors. Images shared by workaholic David on X reveal the Galaxy S24 Ultra from the front and back. It also looks similar to the S23 Ultra, but has a flat screen instead of a curve. Don't need expensive screen protectors. The back looks almost the same with a matte finish, giving it a luxurious feel. The phone now has a lighter titanium frame, might agree. Ice Universe also shared some more news about the upcoming Galaxy S24 phones. Back in August, this leaker accurately predicted that all three models in the S24 series would have LTPO screens. In a new tweet, Ice Universe said that the speed at which the S24 series screens respond to touch has improved by over 10%. This means that when you touch the screen, it will react more smoothly and quickly. It's important to note that this touch response speed is different from how often the screen refreshes its image. The touch sampling rate is the frequency at which a screen detects touch input, like from a finger, a stylus, or any other touch tool. For the Galaxy S23 series, this rate is 240 Hz, meaning the screen checks for touch input 240 times every second. With the Galaxy S24 series having an even higher touch sampling rate, this will enhance the gaming experience, making it more responsive and smoother. It also means that the screen will react more accurately and quickly to users' touches in general. After a big leak that shared a lot of details about the soon-to-be-released Galaxy S24 series, we've now got a glimpse of all the official cases Samsung plans to offer for this new flagship series. This image was leaked on Twitter by a leaker known as EvLeaks. Alright, it seems that not every case for the Galaxy S24 series was shown in the leaked image. Most of the cases visible are simple silicone and leather ones in various attractive colors. Among the more unique cases are a silicone grip case and the SmartView wallet case. However, the much-talked-about suitcase case, known for its interchangeable plates that can change the wallpaper and UI theme on the device using NFC technology, wasn't included in this leak. Indeed, there's no need to worry. In about a week, we'll have all the details about the cases and accessories for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Samsung has started a reservation program for fans interested in the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. This program is available in countries where the Galaxy S24 will be open for pre-order starting January 17. Customers who sign up early to show their interest in the Galaxy S24 will be eligible for a discount on this new flagship model. Additionally, they might also receive other prizes. This is a way for Samsung to encourage early interest in bookings for their new smartphone series. Now, as usual, let's explore everything about the S24 series, including what it can do, how it looks, and how much it costs. This will help you decide which one is the best for you. If you've been following along with my updates, you might already know this stuff, so you can go ahead and check out another video. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos like this. Alright, let's get started and learn more about these phones. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing USB 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging USB 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.